Hello guys, welcome back to AnyBiz.io's YouTube channel. I'm Daniel Schneider, and today we're exploring a feature that can transform the way you manage your brand's online presence. If you appreciate smart business tools, subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. AnyBiz.io's brand awareness automation is designed for one purpose: to help you stay visible and relevant on social media without consuming hours of your time. It works by analyzing your brand's identity, your audience, and your communication style, then generating professional quality posts complete with text, images, or both, ready to publish. Right now, it's available for LinkedIn, Facebook, and X, with more platforms coming soon. Originally, this feature was completely hands-off. The AI handled everything automatically, publishing content it created based on your brand profile. It was perfect for full automation, but it didn't leave room for personal adjustments. That's where the latest update changes everything. Now you can be as involved as you want. When you generate a post, let's say for LinkedIn, you can review the AI-generated text, make edits to align it more closely with your own voice, and then request the system to regenerate the image so it matches your updated text. If you'd like a completely fresh take, you can regenerate the base post text itself, then refine it further before publishing. The process is seamless, and it means every post can carry your brand's precision and personality while still saving you the time AI automation was built for. Here's why that matters. In business, consistency drives trust. Maintaining a regular posting schedule builds familiarity with your audience, while high-quality visuals and messaging strengthen your positioning. But doing all of this manually can take hours each week, hours that could be spent closing deals, refining strategy, or building relationships. With brand awareness automation, you're reclaiming that time without compromising quality, ensuring your brand remains active, polished, and engaging. For example, I might start with an automatically created LinkedIn post about a new product update. The AI provides a clear, concise paragraph and an image. I can adjust the text to emphasize a key feature, then regenerate the image so it visually matches my revised message. Within minutes, I have a post that's both AI-assisted and perfectly tailored to my strategy. And this is just the beginning. The team at AnyBiz is already working on expanding this capability to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and even Telegram, including the addition of AI-generated video content in the future. With this blend of automation and creative control, you can maintain a consistent posting schedule, keep your audience engaged, and ensure every message reflects your brand's tone. If you found this useful, give this video a like and subscribe for more insights into how AI is shaping the future of marketing. And if you're ready to see how brand awareness automation can work for you, visit AnyBiz.io and start creating smarter, faster, and more effectively today.